Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the Verizon 5G home gateway and making sure it has an active 5G WAN connection. That's how internet reaches your home. Once the gateway is online, plug the Eero into power and install the Eero app on your phone. Make sure you have a short Ethernet cable on hand. Connect one end to the gateway LAN port and leave the gateway Wi-Fi enabled only if you plan to use Eero in bridge mode. Otherwise, disable its wireless to avoid double NAT. Once the Eero is powered and physically connected to the gateway via Ethernet, open the Eero app and choose Set up a new Eero. You'll be guided to name your network and create a password. These become your home Wi-Fi credentials. Make sure Eero is set to DHCP/router mode unless you intentionally want bridge mode to let the Verizon gateway handle routing. This choice affects NAT and port forwarding, so pick DHCP/router to simplify device discovery and parental controls across. You finish by verifying connectivity. Join the Eero Wi-Fi and run a speed test to confirm the 5G link passes through. If devices fail to get internet, reboot the Verizon gateway first, then power cycle the Eero. This clears DHCP conflicts. If problems persist, swap the Ethernet cable and try another LAN port on the gateway. If you notice double NAT affecting games or VPNs, either enable pass-through on the Verizon gateway or set the Eero to bridge mode. Choose based on whether you need Eero's advanced features.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.